Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Eunice. In this video, I'll be showing us how to make a cathedral veil. Here I have 2 yards of veil net, and as you can see, my fabric is folded into two already. So it's folded into two lengthwise. Next, I'm going to fold my fabric or fold the net into four. So you want to make sure to fold it into four. So having folded it into four, next I'm going to measure the length of the cathedral veil. So from where all the folded parts meet, where the 4 points meet, I'm going to measure 33 inches, which is the length of the veil, making sure that my tape does not leave the apex here. Take note of where my tape is. So I'm going to measure 33 inches round, just the normal way we measure. That's the normal way we draft our 360 flare. Okay. As you can see, I'm done marking. I'll go ahead and connect the points. And then I'll bring in my scissors and cut on exactly on the 33 inches mark I already made. So after cutting out veil, this is what we have. And you see, it is just very simple. All you need to do is to just cut the 33 inches mark. And then I'm going to open up this veil. And you see it is folded into two. So now when it is open, you can see it's a half circle. And then when I open it up like this, I'm going to have a full circle. So the next thing I'm going to do is to place this trimming. This is about 7 yards of trimming. I'm going to stitch this trimming round the edges of our veil. And you see? So I'm going to take this to my sewing machine so that I can show us how we'll be placing this. You'll need to place it on top of it. You're not going to stitch them right side facing right side. The trimming will be placed on top of the net. So we'll go to the sewing machine so that I can show us how to stitch the trimming to the edges of the net. Okay, so to stitch the trimming to the net, this is our trimming and this is the net. So I'm just going to place it ½ inch over the net. So my machine is white and the net is also white. So just be patient. You will understand what I am doing. I'm just basically placing it on top of the other. I'm overlapping it by ½ inch. So I'll see how I can adjust the camera just so that it's clearer. Okay. So you can see the trimming is on top of it. So I'm basically stitching it ½ inch over the edges of the net. You want to make sure that you follow that ½ inch and just stitch it. So I'm going to stitch this round the veil, just so it round the shape that we have cut out already. Remember, it's a circle. So I'm going to stitch it round it till I get to this point where I started from. Okay, I've adjusted my camera. I think we can see it clearer now. Can you see how I am placing the trimming over the net? Just place it at the edge of the net. Let it overlap by that ½ inch and then just keep sewing it round. So when I get to the end of the net, we're going to have to overlap it. So that's just basically it. Just sew round, round, round till you get to where you started from. Okay, so as you can see, I've gotten to where I started from. Now, can you see I'm overlapping the trimming by 2 inches. Let them overlap on each other. Don't just get to where you started from and stop exactly at that point. Let the trimming overlap. That's you're going to sew it on top of the other. Okay, and then you top stitch it. And this is it. You want to make sure to do this very well so that it hides the starting point. You don't want anybody to just see it and know where you started from. When you overlap it on top of the other and then make a top stitch around there, it just blends in, so nobody will see where you started it from. So this is what a cathedral veil looks like. You can see how simple and beautiful it looks. I'm going to tack some patches that we are going to cut out from the lace fabric I'm making this outfit with. I'm going to cut it out. I'm making this for a bride, and this is the second video already I've posted. I posted a video on how to make the bridal train, and this is how to make the cathedral veil. My next video is going to be on the dress, the pattern drafting of the dress, of the wedding dress itself. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends, and do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, so let me show us how to wear the cathedral veil. Okay, so to wear your cathedral veil, all you need to do is to just place it over the head, just like I'm doing. Can you see? And then make sure that the longer length is at the back. You just need to cover the face just to the bust area or to the under bust area. You don't want to do too much. Let the longer length be at the back. And then you also need those hair pins that they pin to the hair of the bride. You just need to pin it to the hair. This is to hold the cathedral veil on the head, just so that when the groom lifts off the veil, it can still be hooked to the head. You don't want to remove it immediately, especially when the person is in the church. So that pin will help hold it to the head, okay, or to the hair rather. All right, so we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure that you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, leave nice comments, and please feel free to share this video. Help in sharing this video. It is important that you share this video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.